Hi guys.
Yo guys, what's popping, Giles?
So we are
outside.
we are at the beach and we are going to enjoy this amazing day.
Yes.
Okay? So guys, we have a little dinner over here, a little snack bar.
So what's popping, guys?
That's popping guys.
What? We just talking now. So guys, we are outside chilling the nice. See that? The beach. Patacona Beach. Okay, my douche is going to eat some.
Guys, it's a little bit cold for me. Enjoying my sushi. I'm enjoying my sushi, guys. Delicious. Wow, relaxing.
I'm chilling though.
Enjoy life with them. At the beach. At the beach with the bitches.
At the beach with the.
At the beach with me. I'm sitting on him, guys.
My glasses.
Sorry. See? The water will be cold as
What would be called?
freak. Yeah. Whoa, it's really cold, man. I do. Feel just like this. So guys, we are still in the centrum. You can see everybody dressed like it's winter, but it's not that cold over here. That man was looking to the number plate like, you guys are not from here. This is the farmacia, like the drug shop. Maye. Now we are walking to Decathlon.
Yeah, now I walk to the Decathlon, guys.
This is really cool, guys. You just put it inside and it scans everything. I only see.
That one was for free.
How much thing do you put inside?
5.
I only see 3.
That one's for free.
So guys, we paid for everything. The bond,
The
the
ticket,
ticket,
the receipt.
the receipts, and we are ready to go. It's free. And then over here with all the camping stuff. Are you excited for the camping weekend? Yes? Right. They got mountains for everything. So guys, this vlog is like from some past days ago. Oh my god, they look ugly. So guys, we decided to turn our house to a whole vibe over here. We have some games over here and his DJ stuff. And this is our house, guys. We have some lights over here and also the balcony. Some plants there. And the house is a whole vibe. Also, another light over here, and also a beautiful LED light over here. Back in the kitchen. What are you doing? Can you act normal? What's your
I'm just
face?
looking for a trash bag.
So we don't know if people will come by today or not, but we have a little vibe over here going on, guys. Oh, look at snacks. And
Check the mess.
yes, now we need to clean everything up, turn off the lights.
So guys, this is everything for 2 days.
Yes,
This is
guys.
2 days in one.
Yes, 2 vlogs in one. And don't forget to
Like, share,
like, share,
subscribe, share it with
and-
a friend, and you want to say it today, again today.
what?
Baguso.
Bagus.